Yo guys, welcome in today's video, and the crypto market is doing super nice. So yeah, definitely happy about that. But we also have some things we need to talk about, and that is shit's gonna get crazy. Shit's going to get crazy, and we are just starting right now. We are literally just starting. So when we have a look at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is trading at 119,000 US dollars. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin massively, which is a great sign, guys. And definitely for the past couple of months that I have been so bullish on crypto. And this is the reason why, because this is what I saw was going to come, and we are right now just starting. We haven't seen any euphoria yet. We haven't seen the real craziness that is going to come. But it's also important that during these times you're going to invest in yourself a little bit and in your own mental and physical health, because the next month or months are going to get very crazy. You want to keep yourself healthy. You want to keep your sanity, and you don't want to follow the euphoric state of the markets too much, because it will just cloud your judgment and so forth and so forth. So what I'm expecting, guys, for the next coming months to happen is, first of all, I'm expecting until August that Bitcoin is going to go up. I actually think the whole crypto market is going to go up, but I think in August, somewhere in August, the real altcoin season starts, and we can see it already in many charts that are setting up for massive breakouts. So let me share some of the charts with you guys. Let me turn the camera right here. So for example, I got a question about Luna. This is Luna. Let's go to the weekly time frame. And should I make it a little bit brighter? Yeah. So on the weekly time frame, you can see, for example, that we have a very nice bullish divergence right here, and then we have here some declining resistance. So this is just a small resistance that we can break, right? And once we break this resistance, we can come to this resistance. And this resistance, the bigger resistance right here, once that breaks, I call that an altcoin season. This is not an altcoin season yet. So that is important to note. Another thing to note, guys, is that we have on the Will portal, when we go to the ISO 222 token section, we can see that we have very high outperformance of ISO 222 tokens. So we can right now say that it is a season of ISO 222. And I'm personally holding some ISO 222 tokens, but I'm also holding many tokens that are not in this category, like Litecoin and Luna. And I got many questions in the past couple of weeks, like what to do. And guys, I can just tell you what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to sit tight. I chose my altcoin bags. Although I see early strength in different altcoins right now, I'm not going to switch them, because you don't want to be chasing all these altcoins all the time. You don't want to chase the pumps. This is not how it works. You want to take the good setups, and you just want to sit and wait. And you want to ignore the narratives, because these narratives will pop up from anywhere and they will disappear as well as fast as they come. So for my personal situation and my personal advice or my personal view on the markets would be that it's better to sit tight and wait till your bags are pumping to take profits, rather than to switch your portfolio all the time and chase the pumping tokens, because they already pumping. And what we often see is that it is liquidity is rotating, so it's going from one coin to another coin to another coin, and often this goes in sectors. That is why on the Will portal we have been creating these index seasons, so you can see whether the money is going to gaming tokens, to DeFi, to memes, or to ISO 222. And it's very clearly right now that the ISO 222 tokens are outperforming. That's XRP, XLM, HBAR, those tokens are doing very good right now. They show a lot of strength, and I expect them to show even more strength and a lot of strength in the coming months as well. I'm just not going to chase these ones with my whole portfolio, right? I have some positions in these tokens, so I do profit from the strength right here. I'm just not all in these tokens. And yeah, for me, it's just too high risk to chase pumps, and I've learned from my history in the markets that chasing pumps often does more harm than good, because often you are already too late for the pump because the pump already happened. So the downside risk increases. For your emotional and mental state is also not good, because you're always on hyper alert, flipping your portfolio all the time. It is true that you have to be flexible now and then, but the altcoins that I positioned in, mostly, they are having very good setups. So I'm expecting strength in these altcoins to come as well. And it makes sense that we see some strength in the ISO 222 tokens first, and that later other altcoins will follow. The main thing is that Bitcoin season is right now coming to an end. Ethereum season is coming to a start, but we have not seen anything yet. We have not seen a real alt season. This is what we are seeing right now is not a real alt season. It's just a preparation for the bigger event. The big event is really where multiples are being made and really crazy breakouts are going to occur. Like I just showed you with the Lunk chart. So we have breakouts on the smaller term time frame, but we also have the bigger breakouts. And let me share with you another chart, guys. Let's go over Litecoin, because that's a token that I've been talking about as well. I think Litecoin is actually looking pretty good. And right now it's trading at $100 roughly, right? So we have, of course, some resistances here all the way up to $130. But it is once we break that level that the real alt season is going to start, so that we can see a real break of this structure. So that is what I'm looking at. So just climbing up to this resistance is just the pre-strength that we are seeing in tokens, not the real altcoin season. Litecoin against Bitcoin, this one looks very good. That's why I'm sticking with Litecoin, because we are still in this channel at the support, massive bullish divergence against Bitcoin. I think this thing is going to pop. And Litecoin against XRP, I gotta say, it's not looking too good. So XRP definitely looks a little bit stronger in that sense than Litecoin right here. However, I still want to give it the benefit of the doubt, because we could get something like this, where we have like these wicks below the support, because we do see a nice bullish divergence setting up, and I do think that profits made from XRP also going to be rotating into various tokens. So although right now XRP shows more strength than Litecoin, I'm going to give this the benefit of the doubt. If it's really disappointing, I can always readjust and look which charts are looking good against for example, XRP. But for the rest, guys, all the other tokens, they do very good. They do all very good. Apex that I shared recently with you guys on the channel, this one was very undervalued. I shared this one when it was roughly at 18 to 19 cents. Right now it's trading at 27 cents. The reason why this one is so undervalued, because Apex is the best decentralized exchange out there. It has way more liquidity and services and functionalities than, for example, DYDX. And the market cap of Apex is insanely low compared to a market cap of DYDX. You can't even compare it. You cannot even compare it. Then guys, something very important. I made a video on my second channel, that is this video, and this is where I'm talking why I think 2028 and 2029 will be a great spiritual reset. There's a lot of effort that I've put into this video in terms of research, and I would highly encourage every single one to watch this video. It will explain a lot with things that are going on right now, and yeah, I can just not stress it enough. I would highly recommend to watch this video. Okay, I'm going to post on this channel. I'm going to post there once every week. There's going to become a video. I'm going to talk a little bit more about my personal struggles in life, things that I experience, things that I face right now. So it's going to be really a personal channel where I'm going to share my journey on this planet. But this first video is actually more crypto related, because this is really about the next coming years being really important. So I would highly encourage everyone to watch this video, and if you can, please do share it as well, because that would really help to get this message out, because this is going to be such an important message. It is a very important message. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash the thumbs up button. It's very much appreciated. I want to wish every single one of you a very beautiful day today. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video, but also over on the new channel, which is more than only crypto. And yeah, guys, would love to see you there as well. I wish you a great day, and I see you all in the next video. Bye bye.